In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple documents in DocuSign. We'll walk through logging in, starting a new envelope, uploading several files, arranging their order, adding recipients and fields, and sending everything as one clean package. First, sign in to DocuSign with your account. Before you get started, make sure your account has permission to send envelopes. If you're part of a team plan, an admin may control that permission, so double check if you don't see the send option on your dashboard. From your home screen, choose New or Send an envelope. This opens the envelope creation page, which is the workspace where you assemble everything you want to send. Think of an envelope as the container that holds all your documents, recipients, and the fields they need to complete. In the Add Documents area, click Upload. Select all the files you want to combine from your computer. DocuSign supports PDFs, Word, Excel, and common image formats, so you don't need to convert most files. To grab multiple files at once, hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac while selecting. Clear, consistent file names make this step faster because you'll immediately recognize what you're uploading. By the way, there's a link at the top of the description to the DocuSign website, so you can log in and follow along as you watch. Once your files appear in the list, arrange their order by dragging and dropping. The order here is the order your recipients will see when they open the envelope. DocuSign will combine the documents in this exact sequence when it's sent, so take a moment to get it right. If two documents need to stay together, place them one after the other. Next, add your recipient or recipients. Enter the name and email address for each person, then assign the right role, such as Signer, Approver, or CC. If a document is only for reference, that recipient doesn't need any signature fields placed on it, but they can still receive the envelope. Click next to open the tagging editor, where you add the fields. Place signature, date, initials, or any other required fields on the combined documents. You can add fields across all uploaded files in one pass, so move through page by page and make sure each recipient has exactly what they need. Before sending, click Review to confirm the document order and check that all fields are placed correctly. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient will receive a single envelope with all documents combined in the order you set. That's it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.